आयतारा नावेलीची ग्रामसभा जाली. ग्रामसभेत साबार विशय चर्चेक आयले. पंचायतीत सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेरे बसोवची अशी मागणी थळाव्यांनी दर ग्रामसभेत केली. पूण तांची मागणी अजून मेरेन पुराय जावंक नाशिल्ल्यान थळाव्यांनी बरोच बोवाळ केलो. तशेंच सरपंचाकूय धारेर धरलो. पळयात नावेलीच्या ग्रामसभेत जाले केस्ताव कोफुसांव.
Major issue number one, मारगांव आता म्युनिसिपालिटीसान आमगेली नावेलींची एरिया, नावेली विलेज पंचायत तेमकां मारगांव व्हरपाक जाय SPD. पयलीं लॉंग बॅक 10 years बॅक म्युनिसिपालिटी व्हरपाक आशिल्ले, तेन्ना आमगे ग्रामसभा आनी बॉडीनूय बी अपोज केल्ले. सेकंड मागीर PDA व्हरपाक केली, तेन्नाय अपोज केले. आनी आतां ही सर्वे करून लँड सर्वे डिपार्टमेंटान सर्वे करून लायताय ते आमगे नावेली विलेज मार्गांव व्हरपाक सोदतात. सो तेजे सगळ्यांनी अपोज आहा, सगळ्यांनी पास केला आनी मस्ट इट इज ऑब्जेक्शन. म्युनिसिपालिटी आहाय थिंग आतां सिलेक्टेड कित्याक विलेजीस काडले हो लोकांक गेलो कन्सर्न आमगेले. आनी म्युनिसिपालिटी जाय ते आखे गोंया फकत नावेली मारगांव सावन आहाय ते नावेली आकेंबाज दावोली ह्योच कित्याक काडले ताका लागून तेमी अपोज केला. इट इज एन हायकोर्ट मॅटर तेंका ते सांगले ते सोंगना ते म्हणाय की तातूंत लागून ग्रामसभा हेज अ फूल पॉवर टू डिस्कस म्हणाय सबज्युडिस म्हणाय सोंगना. बट आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू कमेंट्स ऑन हाय सेकंडरी. आय कॅन कमेंट हाय स्कूल कॉलेजी सांगताय ते वयर एक शेड आहा ती FAR वाडोवन गेलो. हम टाउन प्लॅनिंग हॅव अ गिव रिपोर्ट तेजी एक्शन घेवपाक कोणेस करून म्हणटाय ते. So I'll do whatever. I'll be placed to the body meeting. All body is done. I'll go according to that. Yes. आणि त्याचा सर्व्हिस रोड आहे. वेस्टर्न बायपास हा लाईट आहे. सर्व्हिस रोड हा लाईट ना. ते रेझोल्युशन गेला. अलॉंग विथ द तेलावली पंचायताकूय सांगपाचें तुम्ही घे की ते हाफ पार्ट इज फॉलोइंग इन तेलावली पंचायत आनी हाफ इज फॉलोइंग इन नावेली पंचायत.
कॅमेरा घालपाचो कॅबिनान तुमचे हांगा बी घालपाचे तेजेर कितें केलां तुमी आतां?
ते कितें म्हणटाय तेंका जाय ग्रामसभा रेझोल्युशन पास कोता घेवन ग्रामसभा रेझोल्युशनाचेर I cannot take the procedure करपा नाका. पंचायत बॉडी रेझोल्युशन जाय ते सांगल्यार सोमना हांव सांगूं सोदी तेंका हांव कोता. तुम ग्रामसभाके प्रपोजल हाडटा बॉडी मिटिंगे घालता खूंय घाल्या ते घाल्या आनी प्रोसिजर करया. ते म्हणना ग्रामसभा गेले ते करपाचें. पंचायत राज एक्ट इज नॉट लायक दॅट. दे कॅन सजेस्ट एज मच एज दे वॉन्ट. The body decision is a final. That is what I want to explain to them.
Last Gram Sabha meeting, I placed a proposal wherein I asked him for installation of cameras. Okay, to which he said I would do it. Give me a month's time. He didn't do it. And during this Gram Sabha meeting that's held, I questioned him what is the resolution taken, because under RTI I received the minutes where he has written that I will be doing it, but it's yet not decided. So I when questioned when would you do it, he said I'm not doing it. And thereby, after all these discussions, he says the cameras are present in all the areas of the panchayat, wherein they are not present. And the one that is present also is facing downwards. It's not capturing anything. You will never find a footage of anything in the panchayat because the cameras are all facing downwards. There's not a single camera that's facing the entrance or any angle that is being covered in the panchayat. So I requested for installation of cameras in the secretary's cabin, in the conference room, in the corridors, and Sarpanch's cabin, and everywhere, wherever the area needs to be covered in the panchayat. During this discussion, he always, whenever questioned, he always will say, "Shut up." This is the answer he gives when he loses his mind on this topic. In regards to the camera, this is the answer he gives because he has no answers about installing cameras in the panchayat. We want transparency in the system. We want to know what is happening in, out. And there are many issues that are taking place in our panchayat. People are literally not able to come forward. They are not able to speak what is happening because their voices are, shut. And what he does is he can just shut people up. It is maybe people like me who would come forward, but there are many people who do not have the audacity to speak up. We want the installation of cameras.